Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free worth of $250 UI certification voucher 2025. This is a limited time offer and get certified fast. UiPath Community Certification Framework Program. This is started from the June 2025 to Jan 2026. The UiPath Community Certification Framework Program empowers our community to advance their expert training journeys and earn the free UiPath certification. Join us today for the upskill and unlock your next professional level. So registration link is this. I'll open with the registration link. So this is the UiPath Community Certification Framework. Gain your free UiPath Professional Certification. Start today. You can click on the Start Today. And there is a step-by-step process is there. Duration is June 2025 to Jan 2026. And the certification track is for the 3 months. Three opportunity you will get the three things there: open, join, waitlist, and close. So important, all certification track are given the fixed duration of 3 months. Complete the UiPath Academy learning path, take the verification test, receive award voucher, and take the certification exam. All certification track have the limited capacity and the limited number of vouchers for the issue, so registration will be limited. When registration is specific certification track, do not add event to your calendar as will be no matching event, live event. After registration, all following step and updates will be communicated by email only as started of the program and track description. So certification track, register now. As per your requirement, you can register anyone. These are the joint waitlist, and these are the registration open, and this is also registration open. So click this one and click on join waitlist. Okay, already I have completed this one. Okay, I'll go through the another one. So so go for the this one. CCF track 5 UiPath certified professional specialized AI professional. So this is for the 19 August to this one. Okay, waitlist. This one in also waitlist. Let me check one. Just assume that we are going for the infrastructure engineer, this one. So click there. You'll get this form, attendee information. Fill up the details, all the details. Business email address and other details. And just click for the register. We have to complete within the 15 minutes. So click there. So all the confirmation email will send to the this email address. Go there. This is the CCF track 3, and we have booked one ticket for the CCF track 3 UiPath certification professional infrastructure engineer professional automation suite, and my registration number is this and event detail will be this. So like that you can register. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free worth of $250 UiPath certification voucher 2025. This is a limited period offer. Get certified fast, and step-by-step process I have shown to you. And this is the registration link. So follow the process, step-by-step process I have shown to you. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.